Hey guys, welcome back. Long time no see. I bet you missed me. No, you definitely didn't. You don't even know who I am. Hi, I'm Katie. So obviously it's been about a year since I posted, so might be. But I'm back and I'm not gonna do a whole update video because like nothing has happened, okay? My life is exactly the same. There you go, you're updated. I also feel like every time I do an update video, I am like cursed and immediately fall off the face of the planet. So no update video here, but that's okay because we don't need it. But I'm back and I'm very excited to be back. I've been thinking about this pretty much for the entire year that I've been gone, and I have been excited. I just like had to plan everything, and you know, I had to get my life together. But it's well, in this, it's not really, no, it's not together, but I tried. Okay, so today we are gonna be doing a luxury haul. I have some Van Cleef that I wanna show you guys, some Louis Vuitton, and some Farfetch stuff. But I'm very excited about this video. And obviously, wait, let me reel it back in for a second. Obviously, this is not a makeup video. And obviously, that's different for my channel. I kind of told you guys, you know, a year ago when I made my super chatty get ready with me, which I'll link up here just in case you want to see it for any reason. I said that I wanted to kind of diversify my channel, which is true. And I am doing it. I'm just like a year late is all. I'm actually kind of shifting away from makeup altogether. I'm not saying I'm never gonna do a makeup video, but that's not really where my focus is in my life right now. That's not really what I care about. Like when I watch YouTube videos, it's always like luxury unboxings or like hauls or like shopping vlogs, things like that. Like that's the kind of stuff that I like to watch. I really love handbags, obviously. If you guys follow me on Instagram, which you definitely should, I will leave it right here, just the Katie Danger. It's obvious, okay? This is not coming out of left field if you follow me on Instagram. So without further ado, let us jump into this luxury haul. I'm not trying to make it a whole thing before the video. You know, I'm not trying to do it. I'm not trying to make it the whole long spiel, even though I kind of did. I'm not trying to do it. So let's haul some stuff because I cannot wait to show you guys the stuff. But wait, before we jump into the video, you already know what I'm gonna say. If you are not already subscribed, explain yourself, okay? I think you need to definitely subscribe. And I know, like for a minute there, it made no sense for you to be subscribed. Like I know that. I'm fully aware, but I think you should subscribe now because now it's a totally different time. And I mean, depending on how I feel when I edit and like post this video, I'll probably make this like a more regular thing, you know? Let's roll into the haul, shall we? I think we shall. So Alana brought me her school scissors. That's what we're gonna use to open our packages, okay? The first package I have is from Van Cleef and Arpels, and I actually have two of them. But can you explain to me, okay, there's one item in each box. I ordered them like separately. I ordered one and then I was like, no, I definitely need to order the other one. So then I ordered the other one. But can you explain to me why this box is this big? So let's do this satisfying pull together. So I've got my little invoice here. I don't want to show it because obviously all my info is here. Oh my God, this is the more exciting thing of the two. I got the little shopping bag from VCA. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? This is like probably the most exciting purchase that I've ever made. And you know, I'm a handbag kind of girl. I love handbags. And I actually just recently asked you guys over on Instagram, which like I said, follow me there. I do polls and stuff. It's a lot of fun over there, I think. Especially with the reels I've been posting recently. I'm very into it, so definitely follow me on Instagram. But I asked you guys on Instagram what you care about the most between jewelry, shoes, ready to wear, and handbags. And almost nobody voted for handbags, and I'm not gonna lie to you, it broke my heart. It broke my heart just a little bit. So thanks for that. This is the enormous box for absolutely no reason. Like I said, there's just one thing in here. And like what from Van Cleef could warrant such a large box? Oh, I got a little receipt thingy. This is so exciting. Oh, this box is gorgeous. I will not be throwing this away. I doubt that they give you this when you shop in store. I've never actually been into a Van Cleef store. No, I'm just kidding. I did go in. I did go in with my best friend once. She tried on the black onyx. Was it the black onyx earrings that she tried on? I'll leave a picture of her over here. I went in with her, but we didn't buy anything that day. There's like a little care booklet. Okay, Van Cleef. This is like a little travel pouch. From this, you could see what I got. This is the actual piece. I should definitely film an unboxing for my Instagram, my YouTube. Stupid. We're just gonna do it. We're just gonna do it. Here's the box. Oh my God, oh my God. This is probably not what you think it is, by the way. I mean, you could obviously tell it's a bracelet. You can tell it's a bracelet, but I don't think it's gonna be the bracelet that you think that it is, because it's not one that I've honestly seen anybody unbox. I mean, I haven't really looked for an unboxing, but none of the people that I like actively follow or am subscribed to have ever unboxed this bracelet. Here it is. This is it, guys. Okay. Oh my God, no, I'm not gonna take a peek. We're gonna do it together. Oh shit, this little taggy fell out. Might be. Look at my bracelet. Okay, so this is the 5 motif Sweet Alhambra bracelet in rose gold. And like I said, I've never seen anybody unbox it. It is so beautiful. I am definitely going to put this on immediately. Let me just show you it up close. Hello, are we gonna focus? Is that what we're doing? Oh my God. Oh my God, I've never actually seen this piece in person, by the way. I just kind of saw it online. I was like, okay. I've wanted a Van Cleef piece for so long. This is what's going on. I don't really own any like nice bracelet. I mean, okay, so I'm wearing an Hermes bracelet. I'll probably take this off actually to put on the Van Cleef one. I don't own any nice bracelets or anything because I have not been sure what I want to do with my stack. I'm a Libra, so I am so ridiculously indecisive. I cannot figure it out. I'm like, do I want to just include, do I want a love bracelet? Do I want a slim? Do I want, like, I cannot figure it out. Finally was just like, you know what? Like, stop it. I have to get a bracelet. Okay, I have to get a bracelet. I can't just keep living my life like this. I wish somebody was home so they could help me out with this. So for me, the issue that I have with the Van Cleef bracelets, if you cannot tell, I'm having trouble putting this one on, and you can't get the like precious gemstones like the black onyx or like the blue agate. You can't get any of those wet, meaning you can't just like keep it on forever, you know? And that's kind of a problem with me. Oh my God, I did it. I put it on. Look at it. Look at it. It's right here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Actually, let me see. Maybe this would look really good with my Hermes bracelet. Even though my Hermes bracelet is white and palladium, maybe it would. I don't care about mixing metals. I like this sweet size because on its own, like without anything else stacked, it just looks like really cute and dainty. So for me, the sweet one was just perfect. This is actually the second thing that I ordered, not the first thing from Van Cleef. So I can't wait to show you guys the other thing now. Oh my God, thinking about cleaning this up it's not it. It's not it. So this one is not a bracelet. The second piece also comes with the little baggie and this gigantico box. You guys just don't understand how happy I am right now. I have been obsessing over Van Cleef for so long, but I keep spending all my money on damn handbags. That's really my issue. So yeah, this is the piece. Let's do the little unboxing. I should really look at this ribbon and figure it out, you know? So what is it? Is it earrings? Is it a necklace? Is it a ring? 5 hours later. Okay, yeah, there's another box in here, so you still don't know. But now, you're gonna know. Let me look at it. Make sure it's in there nicely, not like last time. So, my second, well technically first because I ordered this first, but whatever. VCA piece. Come on, man. See this? So this is, in case you can't tell, this is the necklace that matches my bracelet. So this is the Van Cleef Sweet Alhambra rose gold necklace. So I ordered this first, and the reason I ordered this, the reason I went for this as like my first piece is because, like I said, I couldn't decide on a stack. But once I ordered this necklace, I was so excited that I just felt like I needed the bracelet, and that's really where we're at. So the reason I went for this necklace is because I wanted something dainty again. Especially for a necklace, I feel like I need the daint. You know, I don't want it to be like this necklace is a lot for me. So I didn't want that. And I also, especially for a necklace, like a bracelet, I can, oh, this is like the same thing on both sides. I was trying to see which is the front. For a bracelet, like I can think about taking it on and off. Like it's not as big of a deal as a necklace. A necklace, like this necklace I leave on pretty much all the time. So for me, getting, you know, one of those precious stones was completely ruled out. Like there was just no way. I am gonna put it at the longest setting because I really don't like to feel like I'm being choked by my necklace. Oh my God. Tell me this is not the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life. And my little bracelet, like this is the cutest little combo ever. And this is my combo that I'm planning to like never take off. So those are my 2 Van Cleef pieces. Should I move on to Louis Vuitton and just do my last little Farfetch item at the end? This is my Louis Vuitton box. Very tiny, obviously, so I wonder what it could be. So it says Louis Vuitton. And this is the piece. And this is the receipt. I am so excited to unbox this. I've been wanting these. You're gonna see this and be like, oh my God. This has been around forever. This is not like a new piece. This is not anything like that. But I just have been so hesitant to pull the trigger, and I will explain why. But I recently was just kind of like, this is it. Like I have to. I've been admiring them for too long. Like I just need to do it. So I did it. So presenting to you my new Louis Vuitton earrings. So obviously everybody has these earrings, okay? These are the Louis hoop earrings. Everybody has these earrings. This is not like news to anyone. This is what they look like. But I was just so hesitant to get them because they are expensive as hell for some costume jewelry. And I know, like, you know, like this little necklace, this little teeny tiny necklace over here costs like more than double what these earrings cost, and they're enormous. But this is gold and this is not. This is metal. So to me, like I, for a minute, could not justify the price point. I still can't really justify the price point. It's kind of crazy. Even though I know like even Chanel earrings are like around the same price or more. I don't own any Chanel earrings for that reason, okay? My costume jewelry earrings I usually get from like wherever I'm shopping. So for instance, let's say if I'm placing an order on like Fashion Nova or something, I'll just throw some earrings in my cart and that's it. So here they are. Since these are so like, I don't know, I feel like they're so iconic and I just love them. And I actually don't have a pair of gold hoops in general in my whole like costume jewelry collection. So I just felt like these were perfect and I am so excited to wear them. I feel like the cost per wear on them is not gonna be great. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's just, it's not gonna be great because I kind of switch out my earrings all the time. So those are those earrings. I'm gonna take them off with my hearts back on because I like how they look with my outfit. But that is what I picked up from Louis Vuitton. So moving on to the last thing, which is the item that I picked up at Farfetch. There is actually supposed to be another item with this, which would have made more sense with this video. But sadly, she is not going to be here until the end of June. Today is the 18th. I don't think it's going to be here till like the 29th. So that's just going to have to be in another haul or something. They were having a sale, okay. And I'm not really big on ready to wear. I'm not like a big ready to wear kind of person. I don't really like to repeat my outfits a lot. And I know that's horrendous. And I know I'm a problem. Me as a person, myself, I'm a problem. But I don't like to repeat them that much. So that's why I don't really invest too much in designer ready to wear. I don't have like a designer t-shirt. So I got this one from Off-White, which is exciting because this is my first purchase from Off-White. I've never picked up anything from Off-White and I feel like I'm the last person in the world. Like everybody owns stuff from Off-White, but I did not. I think it's a size small. Yes, this is a size small, which for shirts, I can get away with a small, maybe even an extra small because like I don't have no girls up here, okay? I don't have nothing over here to hold up any type of space. Like it takes up no space. So a small or even an extra small will work. I am so excited about this because I feel like this is a piece that I could get a lot of wear out of. Like it's just a regular crop t-shirt, which I have 1,000 of, but it just has the one little detail of off right there. And that's what makes it like something special. And I'm very excited about it. Like I said, I got this on sale. And then on top of the sale, I used a coupon code. There are like a billion influencers who have coupon codes. I sometimes just Google it and like they will come up. So if you're shopping on Farfetch, definitely use a coupon code. They used to make them so that it only applied to new accounts, but now I believe they apply to, like, I believe every single coupon code now will apply to even like existing accounts. Everything I got in this haul I'm very excited about. The only reason I took off the earrings is because obviously I was wearing these already and I feel like they go pretty well with my shirt. With that being said, that's it for this video. I have a lot of videos planned, okay? I have to do like some reveals. So this is what I'm thinking, actually. Let me ask you this before I actually go ahead and film, you know, something that you guys wouldn't want. So I do all of my handbag unboxings over on Instagram, except this one. I also kind of want to do a reveal for YouTube. So tell me what you guys think about that. I wouldn't do like an actual unboxing because the actual unboxing is going to be on Instagram. So I'm thinking I would just kind of do the reveal and like put the Instagram video inside the YouTube video so you guys can see like the unboxing in case you don't follow me on Instagram. So tell me if you like that, because the whole like putting it back in a box situation, I'm not good at it. So I have 3 handbags in that slot that were, you know, propped up behind me, and the collection looks really, really cute, but I haven't revealed them yet. I haven't posted the unboxing on my Instagram yet, so I am not gonna just like, you know, have them chilling back here. So I have 3 over there that you guys still need to see. And I have one very exciting one coming. It's coming in the mail. It will be here probably on Monday. Today is Saturday. So I am freaking out. I'm so excited about that bag. I just went on the longest tangent any human being has ever gone on. So that's it. I'm done. I'm gonna go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram and, well, I'm just gonna say Instagram. You know, I used to say Instagram and Snapchat and TikTok and Twitter and all this crap, but like, let's be honest. I only post on Instagram, okay? I post a reel almost every single day. And it really is kind of every single day. It's just that sometimes it's a picture instead of a reel. That's it. So, and my stories are always there. So if you guys are interested in seeing, you know, outfit of the days, some funny handbag reels. I do a lot of Hermes reels, even though I don't even own an Hermes bag. I will still do the reels, okay? Thank you so much. Definitely follow me over there. And I am done. I'm done talking because this has been the longest video of my entire life. I will see you guys in my next video, which hopefully will be very soon. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.
I got the purse and my bracelet and my necklace.